Ito naman yung continuation dun sa logic, reverse method, sorry test. Dito naman, kailangan mo rin i-formal method yung sa sorry test. Ngayon, remember, yung dun nga pala sa reverse method, nakalimutan ko kasing isama. Yung sa reverse method, dun kailangan mo siyang i-validate. Yung ipapakita mo yung ginagawa mo sa syllogism, yung mga papakita mo yung mood, ipapakita mo yung Boolean equation, i-antilogism mo, yung sa reverse method. Sa formal method, hindi mo na kailangan ipakita yung antilogism or Venn diagram. Importante na lang na mapakita mo yung kung paano gawin yung formal method itself. So, ito yung given sa handout. Kaso sa handout natin, iba yung nakalagay. Kaso, inayos ko siya in a more nice logical form manner. Okay, tandaan mo, before ka talaga mag-formal method, mas maganda pa kung uunahin mo lagi yung reverse method kasi doon mo malalaman kung ano yung proper logical form na pwede mong gamitin. Okay, start na tayo. So, ito, all PUP-dons are profound scholar, great lovers of music or sensitive souls. All sensitive souls are Don Juan, all profound scholars are great lovers. And yung conclusion natin would be yung all PUP dons are Don Juans. Take note nga pala, para malaman mo kung enthymemic sorry test lang siya, is kapag dun sa given, may nakita kang tatlong dot or meron siyang conclusion indicator, ibig sabihin agad yun, sorry test yun. Kaso pag wala talagang binigay na conclusion indicator or tatlong dots, more likely, sorry test lang yun. Enthymemic sorry test pala yun. Okay, start na tayo. So, since ito na yung mga statement, yan na rin yung conclusion, at ito na rin yung mga moods nila, A. Iisipin mo kung ano yung mga valid figure para sa mga moods na yan. Which A lang yan, isa lang yung valid figure yan, which is figure number 1. So, dito ko na sa isa sa taas. Sa figure number 1, ang format niya is, MP, SM. Okay? So, kailangan mo hanapin dito sa apat na statement na yan kung ganyan yung format. Okay? Example, yung 2 at 4, kasi tingnan mo. Great lovers of music are sensitive souls. And yung 4 is all profound scholars are great lovers of music. So, napansin mo dun, yung middle term is great lovers of music. At sa 2, ang M is great lovers. Yung form niya is nandun, parang nasa unahan yung great lovers, yung middle term. At dun sa 4, yung middle term niya is nasa pangalawa. Okay? And then, okay. So, since nandiyan na tayo, so, pwede yung combination na 2, 2, and 4. Next, hanap pa tayo ng combination na pwede, which is magiging applicable para sa figure 1 based sa mga statement ko. Ang pwede mo pang gamitin na statement is 3 and 2. All sensitive souls are Don Juans and great lovers of music are sensitive souls. Yung major premise mo dito is all sensitive souls are Don Juan and yung minor premise mo is yung great lovers of music are sensitive souls. Kasi ang middle term is all sensitive souls and sensitive souls. Okay? Next, ang isa pa nating valid na combination would be 4 and 1. All profound scholars are great lovers of music and all PUP dons are profound scholar. Ang major premise natin is yung 4. Kasi, based sa format ng figure 1, at yung minor premise is yung 1. So, yun. Ang una muna natin gagamitin is yung combination 2, 4. So, dito, maglalagay tayo ng linya na ganyan. And then, start off tayo sa 5. Ngayon, since ang combination mo is 2 and 4, dito mo, great lovers of music are sensitive souls, and all profound scholars are great lovers of music. Kukunin mo yung conclusion ng statement na yan. Since ang minor premise ko is all profound scholars, therefore, ang all profound scholars yung subject ko. So, all profound scholars are tapos kukunin mo yung predicate ng 2 mo. Kasi ito yung major premise natin, yung sensitive souls. So, all sensitive souls. And then, A pa rin yan. Tapos, ilalagay mo naman sa pangatlong table is yung figure niya, which is 1, A. So, next naman, dito, kailangan mong tandaan, naghahanap ka ng mga pairs hanggang umabot ka sa conclusion mo na all PUP dons are Donohuans. So, dito, since nagamit ko na yung 2 and 4, lalagyan ko muna siya ng star para ma-notify ako na nagamit ko na yung 2 at 4. Next, maghanap ulit ako ng applicable na mga statements para makakuha ko ng bagong conclusion, which would be my number 6. So, dito, ang pwede is dapat figure 1 format pa rin. So, ang pwede mong gamitin is yung 3 and 5. Tandaan mo, bawal mo gamitin yung mga naka-star na. Kasi kailangan pag formal method, ginagamit mo yung mga hindi pa na use na statements, which would be 1, 3, 5. So, yan. Since pwede mo gamitin yung 3 and 5, all sensitive souls are Donohuans, and all profound scholars are sensitive souls, pwede mo na kunin yung conclusion. So, ang tandaan mo, ano yung minor premise mo dito? Ang minor premise mo is all profound scholars are sensitive souls. Sorry, wait, nanginginig ako. And then, yung major premise ko is all sensitive souls are Donohuans, yung number 3. So, ang conclusion ulit niyan is all profound, i-shortcut na lang, all profound scholars are, at yung dun sa major premise natin, which is Donohuan yung predicate niya, all profound scholars are Donohuan. After yan, since ginamit ko yung 3 and 5, lalagyan ko naman ng star yan. Okay? So, after kong lagyan ng star, yung 3 and 5, ang pwede ko na lang statement na gamitin is all PUP dons are profound scholars and all profound scholars are Donohuans. So, dito, number 7 ko na yun. So, pag yan, halatang-halata na dyan kung ano yung minor premise. Kasi, ang middle term both nito is Donohuan. Or, sorry. Nalito ako, sorry. Ang middle term mo dito is profound scholar. So, ngayon, ang major premise mo dito would be all profound scholars are Donohuans, and ang minor premise mo is all PUP dons are profound scholar. So, pag kinuha mo yung conclusion yan, ang lalabas is all PUP dons are Donohuan. Okay? So, ngayon, lalagyan ko ulit ng star to indicate na tapos ko nang gamitin yan. At kung napansin mo, yung 7 natin, kapareha siya ng conclusion. So, ibig sabihin, tama yung ginawa ko ng mga statement. Tapos, tandaan mo, lagi mong ilalagay yung mood nila para di ka malito. And then, yun, ganito rin, figure 1, A, figure 1, A. Okay, next one. Kasi medyo mahaba talaga ang formal method. So, sorry. So, since na to, tandaan mo, Ang sinabi ko pang isa mo pang pwedeng gamitin na combination sa given statement would be yung 3 at 2. So, ito, back to number 5 ulit tayo. Since ang sabi 3 at 2, all sensitive souls are Don Juans and great lovers of music are sensitive souls. So, kung kukunin mo yung conclusion dyan, ang conclusion mo dyan is great lovers of music are DJ. Kasi dito, sa 3 and sa combination mo na 3 and 2, ang minor premise mo is yung 2, which is great lovers of music, and yung major mo is yung all sensitive souls. Tanda mo, kaya naging major or minor yun, depende yun sa format ng figure 1. Gets? Okay. So, next, lagay mo ulit figure mood niya, A, figure 1, at yung combination, A, 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 A. So, dito naman, since second to, gamitin naman natin na symbol is heart. So, lalagyan ko yung 3 ng heart at yung 2 ng heart. Okay? So, after nyan, hahanap ulit ako ng pwedeng combination na dapat magsasatisfy na figure 1, A, A, A. Kasi yun na naman yung pwede kong gawin na combination based sa mga moods na kukuha ko. So, ang pwede mo pang gamitin is 5 at 4. Okay? So, dito, ang ang major mo naman is yung 5 at ang minor premise mo is yung 4. So, sa 6, since kukunin ko yung minor, all PS are tapos ito, DJ. Okay? Or Don Juans or DJ. So, ngayon, since ginamit ko yung 4 at 5, lalagyan ko ng heart yan to indicate na tapos ko nang gamitin yung statement na yan. So, after nyan, lagay ko ulit yung mood, which is A. Lagyan ko ulit ng figure, which is figure 1. At A, A, A yung combination. So, lastly, yung 7 ko, na mag-i-indicate, kailangan para malaman kung tama itong pinagagawa ko, is dapat magiging same siya nung conclusion. So, ito, since ang pwede ko na nang gamitin is number 6 and number 1, pwede. Kasi yan, profound scholar. Ang major term ko is yung 6, at ang minor term ko is yung 1, which is all PUP dons are profound scholar. So, next, kukunin mo lang yung conclusion. So, all PUP dons, PD na lang, are Don Juan. So, in short, tumama ako kasi ang nakuha kong conclusion is all PUP dons are Don Juans, and yung conclusion sa original statement would be all PUP dons are Don Juans. So, ganun. Lagyan mo ulit ng heart to indicate na natapos ka na. Remember, importanteng i-take note mo na kailangan lahat ng statement na gamit mo. Kung hindi, ibig sabihin may mali kang ginawa. Okay? Or nag-skip ka probably. So, A and figure 1, A. So, anyway, pwede mo pong gawin yung isa, which is 4:1. Medyo kasi pag ginawa ko pa yun, feeling ko, ang haba na nito. So, anyway, sana na-gets nyo to. Sorry kung nang-shake ako kasi medyo ang tagal na naka ng kamay ko, nangangawit na. Good luck sa test bukas!